Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Doing a little pour on this, I think it was a 30 by 20 canvas, and I'm wanting to do some really lovely lacy cells in it, in the sort of floral effect that I want to continue on with. So that is just the normal white acrylic with my pouring medium mix for the base under there, and what I'm swiping with is the Amsterdam black that is only mixed with Australian Floetrol, and it gives you those fantastically lacy cells, lovely for a background in something, or just lovely on their own if you so wish it. So going a bit wibbly wobbly with the swipe that I'm doing. It was on that soft plastic file divider, but I think it was bent at certain bits, so kept giving me this uneven finish, but nothing's perfect as in life, so I just went with the flow basically and continued with my swipe out and got those absolutely beautiful cells. So my next stage is I'm going to puddle colours, again just made with my usual pouring medium. All the information is in the drop down box underneath the video in the description. Tell you how I make my fluid art paints up and links to videos, so it is actually all there giving you the information that you may be looking for. Even to the playlist of gloss coating, your finished dried work or resin coating, it's all there. So yeah, I'm just puddling those, puddling that. I'm going to do a simple one sort of puddle and then work from this, and it develops into something quite beautiful.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around.
As you see, the same, I always go over the top. It is quite lovely and I really like it, but this is my experiment day. So on with the next piece now. Just coating that again with my black normal acrylic and the white Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol to get the lovely celled background in this. I think I need to throw that piece of soft plastic file divider away, it's not giving me a really nice finish. So this is just another bit of a different one I'm going for, trying to get a different look in this one, but bear with me because it actually does turn out really lovely. You might click off the video because you think, nah, that's terrible, but when I've done my magic, they usually turn out pretty good, so stick with me till the end. Super nice again, I'm really loving it, but of course, as I said, it's my experiment day, so I'm going to push on again and basically wreck my pour, but hopefully with a better one. That was the leftover paint off the previous canvas. I'm just going to, well, you just watch this happen. The actual canvas that I'm going to sandwich on top of this, that one you see there, has still got the plastic covering on the canvas because I don't actually want a double canvas of this. I just want to use a canvas to use as canvas sandwich. But it was pretty amazing how the plastic that was covering the canvas actually turned out and dried quite nicely. Don't think I can really do anything with the plastic because it was really quite flimsy, a really kind of flimsy break in your hands when I messed with it, but it was fun doing this. I can't remember doing this with the actual plastic still on the one canvas, just using it, but there you go, look, it turned out just as nice on the plastic. But I'll work with this again and bring this up to the next stage and get this one even nicer again.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain.
There you go, really happy with this one. I actually like it on the darker background. I'm loving the colours, they are simplistic and there's minimal colours, but it actually is lovely. So yeah, really enjoyed this process. That was so there's basically 3 that I did there. Enjoyed the process. I always love experiment, and it's something I have to do, experiment, scrape, start again. And that's how people find new things, I guess, but super happy with these, and I hope you like them too. So until next time, please take care, and I will be back. Bye for now.
You give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you